Welcome back to another video with MobileSentrix. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be talking about the future of this channel. And I want to hear from you. What would you like to see on this channel? There's been some big changes. As you can see, I've got a new studio with a lot of content to come. Each day of the week, I'm going to be putting out a video, and I'd like to keep it organized with topics. So for Mondays, I'm going to do a MobileSentrix Monday, where we go over the new parts and tools on the MobileSentrix website, where we might focus on a specific tool or specific products, and we'll talk about them and what's new in that. On Tuesdays, I'm going to be doing YouTube Tuesdays, which basically is going to cover or highlight a YouTube channel or specific videos that I feel are well put together, well done, educational, something that is worth a follow so we can engage and learn together. On Wednesdays, I'm going to be doing Micro Soldering Wednesdays, where we go over everything from the most basics of micro soldering, basically a micro soldering 101, where we talk about the equipment that you need, how to use it, how to maintain it, working all the way up to the most difficult micro soldering, understanding how to read a schematic, how to use a multimeter. And on Thursdays, I'm going to be continuing my tips and tricks series, where we talk about specific tool or specific type of repair in the industry. Something that I feel that you could use as a tech in your day-to-day repair that will enhance and set you apart from everybody else. And then Fridays, I want to do Phone Repair Friday, where we go over a specific complicated repair. More than likely, it's going to be board related, as not everyone wants to see a screen replacement, a battery replacement, a charge port replacement, something that you can find replicated plenty of online. Or maybe a part of those videos will be doing something like a screen replacement, where I show how to transfer True Tone and how to transfer over the display IC, or with the cameras, getting rid of the notifications, batteries, getting rid of the notifications. So those days might be something simpler like that, with the complex portion of that as well. If there is something that you'd like to see, or if you have a better idea for a series of videos for each day of the week, leave it in the comments below. If there's a channel that you already know of that you'd like for me to highlight in an upcoming video, comment it down below as well. Or if there's a specific repair that you'd like to see, whether it's in micro soldering or phone repair, the gaming console side, tablet side, anything that you'd like to comment related to those topics, I look forward to reading them, and I look forward to engaging with you in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.